Okay, I've removed the tea bowl. Just gonna stir this a little bit. And then I'm gonna taste it and see how it is without adding any sugar. That's actually pretty good. It has sort of a chocolatey, fruity taste to it. I don't know if I really taste the nuts. Maybe I didn't get any nuts in there, but who knows? That's nice and warm going down. Yep. So I definitely will be doing another taste test on the other flavor. But this one tastes pretty good. This is the cocoa caramel sea salt. And even though it says sea salt, no, it doesn't taste salty. But thank you for watching. Have a good breakfast and a good breakfast drink. Try something new. Like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next taste test and review.